Good afternoon and welcome once again to the east coast of England, Thompson and Smith in Louth Links. Today we're very pleased to offer this Vauxhall Combo 1.5 turbo diesel 100 PS L2 H1 Pro model. We've got the vehicle ticking over already. You can probably see you've got the daytime running lights, front fogs. We'll just walk down the driver's side of the vehicle. You can see all the body coloured mouldings, and the gloss black mirror backings. To the rear of the vehicle, see rear park sensors. You go with the rear camera there. Just pop into the rear, so it's all ply line ready to work. I've also got down the flex cargo lid there that goes onto the near side passenger seat for all your longer loads. And lengthwise we're looking at about 84 inches from the base of the bulkhead to the rear doors. Just close that up. Also seeing this one, the optional glazed rear doors. So I come to the near side, I've got this passenger door already open. Again, just show you the flex cargo. Twin side loading doors on the L2 are standard. So we'll just close that one up. Into the near side, you can see 3 seats, very easy to pick up, fold back into place. Just come out of there, near side front view. And the vehicle's done just 7,700 miles, registered on 31st of October 23. Let's just take you into the cabin itself and we'll work our way across. It's got electric windows and electric mirrors, folding heated mirrors. We work our way across, auto lights and auto wipers. Shut the door. So 7,000 miles, averaging a very healthy 54 to the gallon there. Now I've got the phone plugged in already here. Just show you the Apple CarPlay. You can load all your own apps and bits and bobs. We'll take that out and back to the car's main menu. It is Sat NAV standard or Bluetooth and DAB radio. Work our way down. Air conditioning, 6-speed manual box. We work our way to the steering wheel. We've got cruise control, an old chip computer and so on the multifunction steering wheel. Okay, we'll just come out of the vehicle, one last look. We've also got overhead storage there. So if you'd like to know more about this vehicle, you can ring myself Tom or the sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.